the fear, right, of how I will greet a client, how I'll treat a client first time is not there, because the confidence is there from the lab. I have been a medical aesthetics instructor for 5 years in Anderson. I have been doing this for almost 12 years now, and it's a passion. I love doing what I'm doing. When you go to a spa, it looks different, right? The lighting, it has different rooms. But because this is a student lab and every student has to be working together and the instructor has to watch each student, they get the experience of everything that they will do in a spa in this lab, and that is how they get the real experience. Like once they are trained, then they invite friends and family here and they practice on friends and family. So when they go to a spa, when they've done all this here, the fear of how I will greet a client, how I'll treat a client first time is not there, because the confidence is there from the lab. I always tell them, you've come this far, you will do well, don't worry about it.